Are you trying to stabilize your shaky video footage? Then let me show you how. Once you've imported the shaky video into your timeline, go ahead and select Video Track 1. Next, head over to the Effects panel, search for the Warp Stabilizer effect, and double-click it to apply it to your shaky footage. Premiere will automatically begin analyzing the clip, and within a few seconds, your footage should be stabilized and much smoother. However, if you're not completely satisfied, you can fine-tune the stabilization by going to the Effect Controls panel. Under Warp Stabilizer, you'll find various settings to adjust. For instance, if you have a still shot, you can set stabilization result to no motion. You can also adjust the smoothness level to your preference. Keep in mind that during stabilization, some of the video's edges might get cropped. To address this, you can change the framing option to stabilize only. You also have control over the scale value and can experiment with advanced settings to achieve the desired result. Now let's compare the original shaky video with the stabilized version side by side. For more complex motion issues, After Effects typically delivers better results.